Today, I'm going to walk you through how to write a love letter. Even if you are a horrible writer, I promise after today, you will be able to write a simple love letter. There is probably a lot of different ways to write a love letter, but today my goal is just to describe a very simple way to write a love letter so you can let the person know how you feel. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is write the person's name at the top, whether you are writing a card or on a piece of paper. So for example, you're going to write Dear Veronica or Dear John. Whoever you are writing to, you want to address them. Then I like to put the date because a lot of people keep things as memories and it's always fun to know when the actual card or letter was given. Next, I like to start off a love letter describing the time you've had together. This shows the person that time that you have had already is really valuable to both of you. So you are simply going to state how the time that you have had together is important. So for example, these past few months have truly been amazing. That's it, simple and sweet. Whether it's been a couple of weeks, months, or years, you simply can just throw in that you have really appreciated that time together. Next, you want to throw in some type of compliment, how being around them has made you feel. It's always nice to hear about how we affect someone's life, especially those we love. You have truly made me appreciate laughing more. So this shows the other person you are bringing up a memory of times that are enjoyable together. So whether you're laughing or going on wine tours or you're just going for a walk, you want to put in there something you do when you spend time together. Next, you want to tell the person what you actually look forward to when you see them. So for example, I would write, I look forward to seeing your smile every day. So this shows the person that every day you are thinking about them, you look forward to their smile. So again, this can be as specific or general as you want. You could always say, I look forward to our insightful talks every week or every night. So you can be, again, as specific or general. You just want that person to know that you do look forward to those times you spend together. Next, you want to compliment them. What is it about them that is different from everybody else? Are they compassionate about volunteer work? Are they an amazing cook? So you want to find something specific to them. I can see how compassionate you are as a person, and it makes me appreciate you even more. So this person maybe volunteers, and so you could add in, I can see how compassionate you are as a person because you're always volunteering. So I want to make sure that person knows I see them. I see something that is unique about them. As a human, I like to be recognized for certain things that make me me. And so when I'm reading a love letter, I want to see what is that person like about me. Next, you want to compliment a physical characteristic. We always want to start off with something about them that isn't physical because that is very important. But then it is always nice to compliment something about them physically because we do see them physically every day. So what is something, again, that you enjoy about them? You have the most beautiful eyes and I can stare into them for hours. This can really be anything. You have the most beautiful smile and I just love seeing it before bed. So you want to, again, be specific. So if there's something you always compliment about that person, then you should put that in your letter. Because again, we want to be genuine and we want them to know we see them, we appreciate them, and we like these things about them. Next, you want to insert something about yourself. Maybe something vulnerable, maybe something you've already shared, or maybe something you haven't. I often question if I would find someone as amazing as you, and I almost still cannot believe I found you. So this is sharing something vulnerable. I was questioning if I'd ever find somebody, and I just still can't believe it. So this gives me an insight that this person writing the letter thinks I'm amazing, and they do really appreciate me. Next, you want to insert what you look forward to in the future with this person. Because if you're writing a love letter, you want them to know you see more time with them in the future. This doesn't have to be super serious, or it can be super serious if you want, completely up to you. So for example, I look forward to spending more time with you. That's it, simple and sweet. So they know I want to continue seeing them and I want to spend that time together. Obviously, if you're married, you can say, I look forward to the rest of our life together. So there are many ways you can go about writing this part. Lastly, you want to go ahead and just put your insert in there on what you're celebrating. Happy 1 week anniversary, happy wedding anniversary, happy Valentine's Day, or just because. So whatever you are writing this for, you want to put that in there. So again, if they want to keep it as a memory, or they know that you're thinking of them on this special day. And then love Cody, love Veronica. You always want to end with some type of ending note, so that way they know it's the end of the letter or the end of the card. And that's the end of writing a simple love letter. In the description, I do have a template that you can edit, and I will link it down below, and you can insert whatever you would like into it, or you can use it as is. I understand that writing can be challenging, but let alone writing a love letter can be pretty challenging. So I hope this really helps you write to that special person, and I wish you much luck on writing your love letter. And of course, let me know in the comments if this was helpful and if you'd like any other how-to videos in the future. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.